Hello folks, welcome back to the channel, Fix It with FC. Today I'm working on this Bissell model 3918/9595 series. Now, before we get started, please consider subscribing, hit the bell icon, and please give the channel a like. It goes a long way to supporting the channel. Now let's get started. Now some of the symptom is that there is a burning rubber smell, which signifies to me is a problem with either the motor or the belt. More or less, I believe that it is hair clogging the belt's movement. We'll see in a few minutes. But I'm going to tell you, I always wonder how many of these end up in the trash just because somebody doesn't want to get a little bit of their hands dirty and just dive right into it and see if they can fix it themselves. So let's start right now. Now you just gently take this off. Just slide it right out like that, and then you got access. Okay, I see the potential problem right here is you can see that there is behind this belt, there's all this hair and string and stuff, and also at the bottom here there is the same thing. And what that does is that gets under the belt and causes it to slip, and it gives the burning smell. Hopefully it wouldn't be the motor. That would be a job in itself, but we'll see. But to me, this looks like it's a very common problem, guys, and easily fixed by really anybody. So let's just take our time and get some of this stuff out. Look at that. That's disgusting. But it's stuck right under there. What I'm gonna do is take this off, which it just slides right out. Yeah, see how it's caught under the belt here? Yeah, and there's a lot. It's everyday hair and stuff you have all over your carpet that you actually probably don't even see. But again, let's just take a quick look at the belt. To be honest with you, it looks okay, but it's probably stretched out. That's why I am going to recommend, I don't like to sell anybody things that are okay, but I would order a couple of these belts and then anybody could put these on. Okay, you got these two things on the end that correspond with here. That's how you put it on. So what you just do is you just slip the belt back in place. I'll check it there. See, you can tell it's a little burned there. And make sure it's lined up over there. And then you just simply, sometimes it's a little chore, but it's as simple as just making sure it lines up. And there you go, in there. And then you just have to pull it a little bit up here to get it to go in there, and that's it. Yeah. And if you can see it all, it really already looks better as it is. So what I'll probably do is, since this was not spinning, okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick evaluation. I'm going to plug it in and show you that this hopefully spins. If it doesn't spin, we're probably going to have to get a price on a motor, which then I'm not sure if it would really be worth replacing. Hang in there. Okay, we're going to test it right now. It's all plugged in. I want to take a look too, see if it's working. Oh yeah. And folks, it even sounds pretty darn good. There's still some stuff in here that I'm gonna have to clean out, but that's it for today. That's just gonna show you that just take this stuff apart, okay? Don't throw it out, okay? This probably got another 5 years use out of it, okay? I'm just gonna clean it up and just give my recommendations to get a new belt, 2 of them, and they'll be all good to go. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this helps. Remember, most all the uprights have the same configuration where you just take this off and you just clean it in here. They get stuck right in here, and in there causes this to burn out and smell like burning rubber. Thanks again. And after we got it all cleaned up, looks pretty nice if you ask me, and runs like a champ. Enjoy, guys.